guide video tutorial. I'll be using Rhino 7 and Twinmotion plugin for Rhino 7. So the plugin, you can install the Datasmith exporter from Rhino 2023 version. You can download it from here, or the other option is just downloading it from Epic Game. There's a few videos to get started with the Twinmotion, but I'll go quickly through the overview of Twinmotion and how to use it. So opening the Twinmotion downloaded app, so you can sort of see the layers that you have in the right hand, the sort of scene, and some properties that you can play around with after you import your model. And what also we have in the library is some material, so it's got a quite good material to use. And then vegetation, objects, and in an object you can sort of use different home or city objects. There's different variation. And what you have also the HDR environment, which create like a scene environment that you can use. There's quite a lot if you would go and dig through it. And there's a few characters, vehicles, and some other object. And the good thing about Twinmotion that you can import different sort of models at the same file, so it's not directly linked to one file. So whatever you have open, you can link it to the same file, and then you can sort the material or keep hierarchy. So what also we have is material, so the standard, or you can import different material from the library. And then populate, which is there's sort of a couple of options. So in the urban you can choose your desired address or the site that you want to do kind of site analysis on it, or whatever you want to, and you can upload it, and all upload it as a block file. And in a path we have a few options like characters, bicycle, vehicles, and custom, which should create a path of animated things, whatever you choose. So if you choose person, it will and draw a path, people will probably walk in that path. And if you want to choose a car, which is the same thing. So for now I will import my file from Rhino. So what you do after you import, you download the plugin, you just synchronize the file, and in Rhino import you can open it, and then you will have the file in there as a direct link, so that will import very quickly. So you can see here I've got different colors which represent different materials. So for the street I'll probably go the ground man-made and probably use asphalt for that. And what's good about it, you can play with the scale of the material texture, the XYZ gradient, and the UV, and there's a lot of option to kind of get the most realistic view of the material you're using. But for now I'll just keep it as it is, and then I'll just apply different material to the walking side and the different material to everything. And then I'll go back to the library. What I could add is a tree to make this site more acceptable. It's like a city site, I'll go plants and I'll add some trees, and you can play with the scale of it very easily through that option you have in the top. And then what also we have in Twinmotion is the media button, which we can create images, videos, and panoramas and a walkthrough. We can create all of that very quickly. So for image, you just press the plus button, and that will take a screenshot of your view. And then in that view you can add environmental factors and location, and then you can change the weather according to your desired. I'm playing with the time, and then if you set your location, that will automatically set it for you. So if you have set your location, I would say probably don't change the location or the HDR environment, you can play out with the time of the day and the weather to just represent different seasons. And then let's say I want to have this image, you can export it very quickly through the export button. So you go export, you probably see everything is hidden but the image you have, you can go in and select it, and that will select, you can choose different types. There's more details if you want to go through it and get more from it, but for now that should be fine. And then you just start export, and then you choose your file location, and that should do it very quickly, and the resolution of it is quite acceptable for the time with it. So to view my image, you just go there and open it, and we can see it's quite good resolution.